Yeah. Ooh. Whose bike is this? It's a princess bike. What you doing?
Driving.
You're driving? So you don't want the bicycle, you want the box?
It's my babysitter. Mommy, this is for my baby.
Oh yeah? Mr. Fix-It. That's a lot of parts. Look at Tari's hat. Ooh, Tari's princess hat.
It does have a crown in it.
Ooh.
It's hearts in it.
You like it? Ooh, and a bell. And a basket. Wow, so cool.
And a pedal.
What's that?
Pedal.
The pedal? Oh, Daddy have to get that out for you.
I get that out already.
Oh, yeah? It's a pedal. Wow, so cute, huh?
I get
Ooh.
that out already. See? You put this together. It's like this. Pedal, and like this. And you drive it.
Oh, really? Show me. Show me again.
Like that.
How?
You ride the bicycle like that.
Really? And how about that one? Uh-oh.
Mama, this is my babysitter.
Really?
This is for my baby. This is for my baby stuff.
It's a princess bike. See how many hours we're gonna put it together.
Mommy! Mommy, look!
Ooh, so cool.
What's this?
It's not for you.
It's for the baby. This is for the babysitter.
Okay.
For that baby.
How about your hat? Can I see your hat?
Okay.
So your helmet, you gonna put it on? Try it. Oh, so cool. It's a princess. Which princess are you?
Ariel.
You're Ariel? Is Ariel in here?
Yeah.
Oh, so
This
cute.
have a pink dress and pink. This have a yellow and right here.
Mm-hmm.
This is my pink.
Ooh,
And then it's
cool.
on my back.
Oh,
Right here.
wow.
And I be pink.
Mm-hmm.
Right here is this my pink right here.
Oh, pretty. You like it, huh?
This pedal for there.
Oh, okay. Daddy's gonna put it for you.
Okay.
You got basket. What's in your basket?
Decoration.
Really? Let me see. Can you show me what's in here? Oh,
This
nice.
decorations.
Oh, it's decoration.
Mommy, this
You gonna give Daddy a hug and a kiss?
I don't want to hug. I'm
Oh, you want a kiss? Okay, go
I'll
give.
kiss you.
You want to kiss me? Okay. How about Daddy? Daddy buy for you. You want to give Daddy a kiss? Go. Daddy. Aww, so sweet. You say thank you? Okay.
Now what's Daddy doing?
Daddy fixing. Okay. Are you helping Daddy?
You gotta be this one right here.
Read the instruction.
The instruction? Yeah. No, backward.
So silly.
Oh, that's right here. Wrong again, Harvey. Oh, yeah. There we go. Hey, get out.
Are you cheering Daddy?
That's my backpack.
Yes. Is that your earring?
It's no, this is for my bicycles.
Here for your bicycle? And why put you in your ear? Cheer for Daddy.
It's not.
A, B, C.
This is not bears. Mama, this is not bears, Mommy.
Oh, okay.
Oh, okay. Got it.
Yay.
Yay! See how you cheering for that.
Oh, no.
No, no. Oh, no.
Alright, redo it.
Huh? Mommy.
Let's go in there strong. No, something.
What's that, Harry?
What? This?
Where does that go?
In the Walmart?
What? Where does it go? Not. I know where it's from.
From the Walmart.
Okay. Where you put it at?
In the Walmart.
Where did she go?
I'm here.
It's almost done.
Almost done. Almost done.
Already done.
Gotta finish the finishing touches, like the basket. Then you're completely done. Right, Harry? You like your bike? You ring the bell?
Mommy, show me like this. Yeah. It's me like that.
Yeah.
Mom, isn't it like this? What's it? Okay.
Don't hurt your hand.
Like this. Yeah, this makes sense.
You have a. You have a.
Do I have?
Like girl is better.
Oh!
No, the wrong way. It's the wrong. It's the wrong way to get up.